Hello dear ones, welcome back to my channel. Today is another video of sewing and DIYs. For today's video, I will show you how I made this top with simple lace. Let's start sewing! So this is the fabric that I will use. And I will use this top to copy the size. So I folded the top like this. Then I traced the size with extra allowance as I wanted it loose. After tracing and cutting, it will look like this. This is the front part and I made the neckline V-shape, and this is the back part. Now I will trace and cut the sleeves using the pattern of the armhole. So after cutting, it will look like this, and I made it longer as well. Now I will start sewing the top starting from the shoulder and then on the sides. Before I sew the shoulder together, I will first sew the neck lining. This is the back lining and this is the front lining. I will attach the lining on the neck front side and back side and then sew. I'm just doing a simple hem first on the lower part of the lining to hide the raw edges. Now I'm sewing the lining to the back piece of the top, right side facing together. And then the front piece together with the lining, right side facing together. Then before flipping, I'm doing top stitch first on the lining. For the back lining, I made cuts first before doing top stitch so that it will have a nice curve after flipping. Now I'm sewing the shoulders right side facing together. I did zigzag stitch as well to have a nice finished look and also to avoid shredding of the fabric. Now for the sleeves, I pin it already to the armhole to keep it in place and then sew. Then again, zigzag stitch to avoid shredding and also for a nice finished look. After sewing the neck lining and the sleeves, it will look like this. As you can see, the sleeves are still open as well as the sides of the top. Now I will sew it close, starting from the sleeves to the sides of the top. Then again, I'm doing zigzag stitch for a nice finished look and also to avoid shredding. So after that, I cut 2 pieces of this fabric to sew on the lower part of the sleeves. Then I folded it like this and then sew as I wanted the opening of the sleeves little bit narrow. So after sewing the sleeves, it will look like this. Now I will hem the bottom part. After hemming, I will sew this simple lace on it and as well as on the lower part of the sleeves. It is done and this is the final look. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. See you on my next video. Bye!